Is your iPhone running out of storage because of hidden cache files? Here's how to clear them and free up space. Check your iPhone's system data. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Select iPhone Storage. Scroll all the way down and tap on System Data. This section includes cache files, logs, and other temporary system data. For example, my iPhone is currently using 16 gigabytes of system data. How much system data is taking up space on your iPhone? Let me know in the comments. The good news is that you can reduce this storage by following a few simple steps. Clear Safari cache. Go back to the main settings screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and select S. Select Safari from the list of apps. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Advanced option. Select Website Data. Now, select Remove All Website Data. Confirm by tapping Remove. This clears Safari's cached website data and can free up valuable storage space. Clear Google Chrome cache. If you use Google Chrome instead of Safari, it's a good idea to clear its cache regularly. Open the Google Chrome app on your iPhone. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Here you will see a few options. Click on the History option. Tap on Delete Browsing Data at the bottom. Choose All Time as the time range. Make sure Browsing History tabs, cookies, site data, and cached images and files are selected. Finally, tap Delete Data to confirm. This removes cached files and other temporary browsing data stored by Chrome. Remove cache stored by apps. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Select iPhone Storage. You'll see a list of apps sorted by the amount of storage they use. Tap any app to view its storage details. In many cases, documents and data, which includes cached files, takes up more space than the app itself. While Offload app may help in some cases, it doesn't always remove cached data completely. For the best results, tap Delete App. Confirm by tapping Delete App again. Then open the App Store app on your device. Search for the app you just deleted. Tap Install to download it again. Reinstalling the app removes old cached files and gives it a fresh start. Repeat these steps for other apps using a large amount of storage. Restart your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Press and hold the power icon in the top right corner. Drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Leave your iPhone powered off for 2 to 5 minutes. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Wait for your iPhone to restart completely. Restarting your iPhone helps clear temporary system files, which can also reduce the amount of cached data. And that's it.